Right, guys, Lucy, what are you doing, love?
Did you know that you could buy bags for charity in Morrisons?
Never mind that, love. There's £5. I want a £5 meal. Where to first, Lou?
First, I'm going to get some curry powder. I'm going to have madras 99p. Some rice for 48p. Some plum tomatoes for 28p. One loose onion, we actually have no idea how much it is. And a couple of loose mushrooms. I'm finally going to get some meat now. I'm going to get it off the deli. I'm going to get some beef. And I think we'll have about £2.80 to play with. So I'm going to ask him for £2.80. That's the beef we're going to get.
£2.82. Oh, Lucy, are we going to go over budget? It's gone down to £2.79.
Let's get to the tills and tot it up. And if I'm under a fiver, you're buying every single one of those charity bags.
Okay, deal. And she's done it. £4.94. Right, here we go. A bet to bet then. Right. Let's go and take these to the tills and we'll buy all these. There we go. There we go. There sure is a lot of bags. Right, charity's all done. Let's get it home. Right, so we're back home now, Lucy. So what is it exactly we're having?
Well, it is Ruby Tuesday, so we're going to be having a mild madras beef curry.
Ooh, curry.
But the meat was £2.79, which, to be honest, I think you got a good portion. And the man on the deli actually said it was better meat than it was pre-packed. So there we go. So what you want to do, you just want to get your raj, curry powder, and get that all over your beef. Leave it to marinate for about 10 minutes while we crack on and cut the onion and the mushrooms. I'm just going to add a little bit of oil to that as well. There we go. And then give it a good mix up. And let's just leave that to marinate. Let's get our onions and mushrooms into a hot and oily pan. And you can use any veg you want. You don't have to just use this. You can have some peas, you can have some broccoli, whatever you like. Now we're just going to let those fry off a little bit. And I've just seen that this beef is in strips and it's quite big. So I'm just going to chop this down into smaller pieces. And they go straight into the pan as well. Mix it around and just let that fry off low and slow. Add a little bit of water to the juices and pop that in the pan. And you don't want to be overcooking your beef. You want it nice and tender. And don't forget to hit the follow button for more Savvy Meals. And the last thing you want to do is add your plum tomatoes. Add them to the mix. Oh, come on out. And then just give them a chop. After you've chopped them all up, let them simmer for about 10 minutes and do your rice. Rice is done and now I'm just going to plate you up. And this smells absolutely beautiful and fragrant. So I hope it tastes good because this is kind of the first time I've done this. There we go. Bit of sauce, Mark. Don't be moaning, it's hot.
And there you go, guys. Ruby Tuesday, madras. Let's give it a try and see what it's like.
Oh, that's lovely.
Oh, that's nice. That meat is really juicy and tender. Guys, give that a try. If you want to, this is the receipt. Available from Morrisons and it only cost you £4.94. And next time you go to Morrisons and you can afford it, go and get yourself a little charity bag and donate to people that need.